and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for joining us on this collab. There are 20 other channels involved. We broke it up by 2 weeks, and some are having giveaways, some are not. In order to be eligible for the giveaways for each channel, I think they're going to have their own rules. Mine will be down below, but you will have to be subscribed to all 20 people in the collab. So for those having giveaways, I believe the rule was not just the 10 in your group, but all 20 people. If that's different, something will be flashing here for you, but as it stands while I'm filming this, it is all 20 people you have to be subscribed to in order to be eligible for the giveaway. So we got randomly paired with other creators, and each of us chose on our own, without our partners knowing, a palette to use, and our partner picked different areas of the eye and different numbers for a placement, not knowing what palette we have, how that might work for us. So I was paired with Alice over at Alice Lynn, I Love Being a Grammy, and I have been in collabs with her before, and she's so fun and so creative. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my palette for you guys, show you what I chose, and then we're going to go over the number placements where she wants me to put things. And again, she has no idea what palette I'm using, and I chose an absolutely crazy one so that I can have a very fun look for you all. And let's see what we got. So I chose my Lorella Fest palette from my last month's Lorella subscription. It was the last one I'm getting for a little bit, and I was really kicking myself because this month looks so awesome, but I will probably go on and just get the palette at some point in the future when I have a discount code. So this one has 2 sides, so I'm starting with this one being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then on this side, we're going to continue with 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we are going to get a super fun look out of this, that I know. So here is the little diagram with where the different things, I'm not the best drawer, I'm not my daughter, where the things are going to go, as well as the number placements that she gave me. For the inner corner, which is where I'm going to start, right in here, the tear duct area, she tells me to use number 1. So that is this Barbie pink right there. And this does have a mirror inside of it. Next, for the inner lid here and the middle of lid here, she used the same color, so that was number 8. So with this being 1 and with there being 8 on each side, this here is 8. Next, for the outer lid, we're going to go with number 10. So if vibing was 8, then we're going to go 9, 10. Ooh, this is going to be a very pink look. I feel like Barbie. Right, this is the color Cella. Next, for the crease, she tells me to use number 12. So that is this orange color here, Rage. The above crease is going to be number 11, so I'm going to get another thin brush for that. So that's going to be this purple one right here, Festival. For the brow bone up here, she calls for number 7. So, oh, that's going to work out because that's this VIP one right here. I'm going to use a somewhat fluffy brush for that. under eye number 5. So that's going to be this Rally one. And that's kind of a silver. All right, and that was all that she picked out. And I think the colors actually do somewhat kind of go where I might normally put them anyway, if I were to use all of these crazy colors in one look. So I'm just going to add a little eyeliner. I'm going to take this Valley color right there. It was either the Valley or the Ferris wheel. All right, we'll try Valley if you can't see it. I do a black eyeliner as well. I'm just going to throw some black eyeliner on, some mascara on, and a little bit of lip product and finish up the look. So I will be right back. Okay, here is my final look. I used the Natasha Moore mascara that I got from my Curator box. And I used the Yensa lip balm that I got in my BoxyCharm by Ipsy this month. And then my eyeliner is this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which I believe I got, I feel like I got it in FabFitFun, but I might have gotten it somewhere else. I don't really recall, but definitely got it from a subscription box. I think it was an add-on or something like that in FabFitFun. Anyway, there is my final look with those placements. And I think it's super fun. I am excited for the colors that she chose. There we go. And I think it kind of did blend together nicely for just an all-over look. They kind of did complement each other, so sometimes you luck out. Now, I mean, this is a bit much of a look for me, but I got some videos to shoot, and guess what? I'll probably wear this. I'm just saying. Probably not gonna do my makeup again, so maybe I'll tone it down a little bit. But anyway, thank you, Alice, for being such a great partner. I'm so excited to see what your look came out, as well as everyone else's. So much fun. Thank you, Michelle, over at Makeup Mom and Son, to put this together and to invite all of us and get such a big group together. It was so much fun. And as far as for my giveaway, there will be the rules down below. When I'm in a big collab, the only thing I need to see is that you are subbed to all. So if you put that in your sentence, that's going to cue me that you want to be a part of the giveaway. And hopefully, if you're writing that you are subbed to all, you are going to be subbed to all, subscribe to everybody in the collab, because it's a monster. And I gotta look up 20 names. And some people have like tons and tons and tons of people they're subscribed to, which is great, but it does make it a kind of a daunting task. So make sure you're subscribed to everybody. Let me know you're subscribed to everybody. I know not everybody's doing a giveaway, but some people are in more collabs and just couldn't, do as many giveaways this month, which is just the way it goes. For me, it was a pretty collab light month, so I was able to put together a giveaway for this. What's going to be in it? It'll be a surprise, so you have to wait and see, but I always do good giveaways, so subscribe to all, because you could win my giveaway, and it's always a good one. All right, well, thank you so much for spending some time with me. Please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so that you can be a part of the giveaway and other giveaways that we have, so that you know when I announce the winner. I will try to tag you, but something's funny with YouTube Creator. When I'm trying to tag people, sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. So yeah, there's that. But I do try to tag you. And I'm pretty generous with the amount of time I give you, because if I pick somebody, I really want that person to get the prize. So I have waited actually far longer than that 48 hours that I put in there. just because sometimes things happen for people, and I would hate for somebody to have something going on in their life and they weren't able to connect and then have not gotten, you know, the prize that they were drawn for, because maybe that might help brighten up their day. All right, well, thank you so much, and hopefully I'll see you soon.